Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that you can plug into your computer, and once it's plugged into your computer you can also connect it to your device. There we go. So from here, once it's connected, we will need to turn off our device. There we go. And once it's off, let's hold power key and volume up. Oops. Whoa, let's do it quickly. There we go. As you can see, once I let go, it accepted power key as a command to reboot the device, so I started holding the keys again just to get back in here. So it looks like we need to let go of the power and volume up when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo. Now from here, you can unplug it because the cable isn't needed in here. And as you can see, we have several different options visible right here. So to navigate through them, we need to use volume keys. And that being said, the options visible right here, we have a reboot system, takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which does absolutely nothing. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, non-system, view logs, run tests, power off, and repair apps as options. And whatever you have selected, to confirm that option, you need to then press power key. And because I wanted to leave this mode, I decided to choose reboot system now for, well, obvious reasons. So let's flip the device back over, and let's wait for it to boot back up into Android. And there we are, back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.